In this video, we have the different types of protein powders. If you are confused, fear not. Today's article is going to briefly break down the details and teach you exactly what you need to know. Common types of protein powder include whey protein powder, casein protein powder, soy protein powder, egg protein powder and vegan protein powder. There are several different types of protein powders available, and they have separate usage and benefits. When comparing different proteins, there are several qualities that need to be addressed, including amino acid profile, leucine content, digestion rates, effects on hormones and additional properties such as fiber content or phytoestrogens. Each of these properties will affect the functionality of the proteins and the overall benefit or effect they have. Whey protein powder. Whey protein has one of the best quality amino acids and has been shown to stimulate muscle protein synthesis to greater degrees compared to other forms. Water-soluble milk protein is popular among athletes. It is a complete protein, meaning that it contains all of the amino acids that the human body requires from food. The body absorbs whey protein quickly and easily. Also, whey protein contains the greatest amount of leucine compared to casein and soy. Recently, leucine has been discovered to be a strong regulator of muscle protein synthesis. Whey protein is further categorized based on protein percentage and other additional nutrients. They include concentrate, isolate, and hydrolysate. Concentrate contains about 70–80% protein, contains some lactose, milk sugar, fat and has the best flavor. Isolate contains 90% protein or higher, contains less lactose, fat and lacks a lot of the beneficial nutrients found in whey protein concentrate. Hydrolysate, also known as hydrolyzed whey, this type has been pre-digested so that it gets absorbed faster. It causes a 28–43% greater spike in insulin levels than isolate. Whey protein concentrate seems to be the overall best option. It's the cheapest and retains most of the beneficial nutrients found naturally in whey. Many people also prefer the taste, which is probably due to the lactose and fat. They are also available in multiple flavors. Some of the popular whey protein powders: Gold Standard Whey Protein, ISO 100 Hydrolyzed, Sports ISO HD and Muscle Farm Combat Protein Powder. Casein Protein. Casein protein is another milk derivative protein similar to whey. The main difference between whey and casein is the slower digestion rates. This type of protein is rich in glutamine, an amino acid that may speed up muscle recovery after exercise. Casein comes from dairy, making it unsuitable for vegans and people with milk allergies. The body digests this protein more slowly, so casein protein is a great choice before bed, when we have a long period without food or possibly when dieting and amino acid oxidation is increased. In one study, researchers provided 16 healthy young males with an intense workout protocol and monitored the anabolic response throughout the day. These researchers then provided one group with 40 grams of casein protein before bed and the other 40 grams of placebo. The results showed that the group who consumed casein before bed elicited muscle protein synthesis rates 22% greater compared to control. If you currently struggle with recovery, muscle loss or have a hard time hitting your daily protein needs, then adding around 40 grams of casein protein at night before bed is a smart choice. You should focus on these factors to consider when choosing a casein powder. You'll typically find one of two forms of casein used in supplements, are micellar and hydrolyzed. Micellar is the purest, least adulterated version and the one used most often. Hydrolyzed casein is actually micellar casein that's been broken down into smaller peptides. Casein should contain between 23 grams and 29 grams of total protein and have about 100 to 140 calories per serving. When purchasing a powder supplement, you want to be sure it will dissolve quickly and easily. Some people take protein supplements to build muscle and bulk, while others take it to lose weight. So beware of the usage before making it into routine. Casein might not be the right protein for you, especially if you have dairy allergies. Some of the popular casein powders are Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% Casein Powder, Naked Casein, Dymatize Elite Casein and Universal Nutrition. Vegan protein powders. Vegan nutrition refers to the nutritional and human health aspects of vegan diets. A well-planned, balanced vegan diet is suitable to meet all recommendations for nutrients in every stage of human life. Vegan protein, however, is made using a variety of protein sources including pea, rice, hemp, and algae. There are 3 types of vegan protein powders including pea protein, soy protein, and hemp protein. Some of the popular vegan proteins are Vega Essentials Nutritional Powder, Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% Plant-Based Protein Powder, My Protein Vegan Protein Blend, Naked Pea and Hemp Yeah. Balanced Protein. Soy protein is the only plant-based protein considered to be a high-quality protein. Soy protein is often avoided in the bodybuilding community because it contains phytoestrogens, which in large quantities may decrease testosterone and increase estrogen. While soy protein may not be ideal for males because of its effects on estrogen levels, research shows that soy protein may have some potential benefit for postmenopausal women in particular. It also has phytonutrients that may be beneficial for the elderly or someone who has an increased risk of heart disease or reduced bone density. Soy protein is mostly used by females. Some of the popular soy protein powders are bulk supplements, 6-Star Pro Nutrition Soy Protein, Bob's Red Mill and MHP Probolic SR. Egg white protein powder. Egg protein is another great alternative for those who may have milk allergies or who are unable to properly digest whey or casein. Egg white protein powder is dried egg whites that come from non-GMO chicken eggs. Fresh eggs are processed into a powder in under 1 day to retain the highest nutritional value. Egg white protein powder provides a paleo diet-friendly egg protein to use in recipes and shakes. Eggs are also a high-quality protein with adequate levels of leucine and other essential amino acids. For whole eggs, not only are they one of the best protein sources on the planet, but they also provide a ton of nutrients, making them one of the healthiest whole foods in the world. Some of the popular egg white protein powders are J-Rob, Paleo Pro, Naked Egg and Optimum Nutrition 100% Egg.